I'm Clara Moraru and I'm an entrepreneur. I started different companies in different countries, but whatever the context of the company, be it a restaurant, a travel agency, a translation company, or in education, the challenges are always the same. You have to bring your project to life, you have to have a very clear positioning, and then you have to manage very well your resources, either financial resources, your cash flow, or your human resources, volunteers, employees, collaborators, providers, etc. In 2015, I finished my certification as an independent director at INSEAD, and I hope and I look forward to working as an independent director more on strategy in the next 15 years. Why languages? Because I'm passionate about languages. And also, to quote Nelson Mandela, if you talk to a man in a language he understands, this goes to his head. If you talk in his language, this goes to his heart. So I like to help people to connect with others through their hearts. This is why I have chosen languages. How difficult? Like in all fields, there are always a lot of actors on the market, but most of them are followers. And I've chosen actually to innovate. I started Languages.lu in 2004, and right away we innovated through the creation of the first Luxembourgish online course. And this helped us to become very quickly very visible, and also to have a very clear positioning that we are serving the needs of the English-speaking community, and that we use web and technology, which was at that time like really new technology. So this helped Languages.lu become very easily recognizable, and even now we are actually the only language school that is investing a lot in creating learning resources that you can actually find on Letzshop. Learning materials that are innovative, that are playful, and actually most of the schools, the other language schools, but also primary and secondary schools are using our learning materials. So this is really our differentiation strategy, and this actually made it easier for us to be innovative and to have the positioning that we have. I grew up with the International Women's Day, and for us it was a very, very joyful day in which we were offering our mothers and girlfriends and professional contacts, flowers and little gifts. So for me it's really something very close to my heart that I enjoy celebrating with my friends and family. I'm very happy to say that actually when I started to celebrate back in 2004, the International Women's Day, it was something very innovative. My role model is actually my mentor. She's called Erna Heniko Schöpkes.